What if I told you that in just 1 week, 7 days, the same amount of time it takes you to forget someone's birthday, you could lose over 2 pounds of body weight and shave 2 inches off your waistline? No, I am not selling you a magic tea, no weird powder, no dancing in a sauna suit at midnight. Just real food, real results, and yes, your hands. We'll get to that. The big promise. This is where you'll lose up to 2 pounds and 3 inches off your waist in 1 week. Studies have shown that people who follow a structured, portion-based diet can lose meaningful body weight in as little as 1 week. But here's the part that actually matters. They saw a 14% drop in visceral fat. That's the dangerous fat sitting around your organs doing absolutely nothing useful. Improvements in cholesterol, better blood pressure, real, measurable changes happening inside your body. And over 25 million people worldwide have already done this. So this isn't some internet challenge. This is tried, tested, and it works. The method. Okay, here's the secret weapon. Ready? Your hands. That's it. No food scale, no measuring cups, no crying in the kitchen at 11 p.m. wondering if this is 80 grams of rice or 81. Here's how every single meal works. A fist-sized portion of starchy carbs, think rice, pasta, oats, your body's fuel. A palm-sized portion of lean protein, chicken, fish, eggs, the stuff that actually keeps you full. A cupped handful of vegetables or salad. Load this up, go wild, except with potatoes. Potatoes count as your carb. I know, it's heartbreaking. Potatoes are iconic, but rules are rules. 3 meals a day, every day. That's the structure. Now here's where I need you to be honest with yourself. This diet is all about clean eating. That means the biscuits on top of the fridge? Gone. The chocolate stash you think nobody knows about? It knows. It has to go. We're talking whole foods, home-cooked meals, real vegetables, lean meats, fruits. If your food has more than 5 ingredients and you can't pronounce 3 of them, that's not your friend right now. Don't half follow this and then wonder why nothing changed. Commit to it. 2 weeks. You've survived harder things. A few bonus tips to make this even easier. Cooking oil? 2 thumb-sized portions per day. Stick to the good stuff. Olive oil, avocado oil, not the mystery bottle at the back of the cupboard from 2019. Snacking? Yes, allowed. 2 fistfuls of fruit per day. Grab a banana, grab some berries. Stay away from the crisps. They're not your friends right now. Dairy? Half a pint of skimmed milk daily or 2 small portions of plain yogurt. See, life is still worth living. Now here's the wild part. All those results I just mentioned, they happened without exercise. Just the diet alone. Now imagine what happens when you add even 30 minutes of movement 4 or 5 times a week. A walk, a cycle, anything that gets your heart going a little. Energetically, the results stack up fast. You don't need to become a gym person overnight. You just need to move. Your body is genuinely waiting for this. Look, 2 weeks from now, you could be standing somewhere feeling lighter, more energetic, and genuinely proud of yourself. Or you could be exactly where you are right now, wondering, what if? The choice is yours. Start today, not Monday, not after the weekend, today. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment below telling me, what's your goal? Let's go get it. I'll see you in the next one.